Hey guys, what's going on? Musical Eagle here. Just came back from work. On my way to work, I actually went to Best Buy, picked this up, the Apple wireless keyboard. Now let me try to click it. It's upside down. Let's see if you guys can read that. Wireless keyboard by Apple. Now the reason I bought it from Best Buy is that Apple, there's no, any rewards points or anything like that. So I go to Best Buy and I get rewards points. $250 every 250 I spend, I got $5 back in a gift certificate. So this was $70, and I had without tax, but I only had to spend $70 because I had a rewards zone gift card. So we're gonna. That's my credit card. All right, let's not share that. Okay, let's use Best Buy Reward Zone card. There we go. Just cut it like that. Take this plastic off. Okay, there we are. Nothing much has changed. It's a very Apple style box. Apple logo on the side. I'm trying to show you like that. Apple logo. Another Apple logo. Wireless keyboard. You guys already saw that. And requirements and such. I'm trying to focus in on that, and that's pretty much it. And a picture of a keyboard of what it looks like. Now the only backside of this is it doesn't have the numerical pad. I love using that. I use that at work. I'll try to, center that. I use it at work, so it's gonna be quite different. Let's open this up. Now this thing uses 2 AA batteries, looking very beautiful. Bluetooth compatible with PC and Mac, I believe. There's a keyboard, very nice. And we have the instruction manual. Let's go check out that. I believe there's no Apple stickers with this, unfortunately. Now with the trackpad coming out, the magic trackpad of Apple coming out next week, or it's already been unveiled, but it's not being shipped to stores till next week, so I've been told by my Apple store. I'll probably pick it up depending on my paycheck. Right now I'm saving up for a PC. You guys might be saying, why have Mac if you're, Mac, you never go back, but I decided to go back just because my major, I'm intending to go for a computer major, computer engineer, actually. So I have to be working with PCs constantly, and hoping to get a PC that runs Windows 7 64-bit with pretty good tech specs, but that's later on. So it's just gonna put this back, manual inside the box, and let's unwrap this. Okay. How do I do this? Okay. Do one of the sides here. Okay. Very nice. You can see that's the keyboard. Feels just like if you have a MacBook Pro, that's what it feels like. It does come with the iMac, the 21.5 and the 27-inch iMac. Sorry guys, I had a bit of interruption. My dad actually called. So the iMac, the 21.5 inch and the 27 iMacs come with the Apple wireless keyboard. You have an option to choose that, and the Apple Magic Mouse. I hope I won't be getting the iMac, and I won't be getting the Magic Mouse because I don't like the Magic Mouse at all. So you can see it's pretty slim. I'm gonna compare it to something. Let's see. This is my 2nd generation iPod Touch in a case. Let's see if you guys can see that. That's how thin it is. Very thin. Like again, I said it runs in 2 AA batteries. Over here, you're gonna have to take a coin and unscrew the top part of here. Over here, we have a power button just to turn it on. Let's see. It's a green button just came on. You have to set up your Bluetooth on your Mac or PC. You can use a Bluetooth dongle, I believe, but some of them won't be compatible with the Apple keyboard. So that's pretty much it, guys. On the back, we do have a, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the Apple logo and some other stuff like that, approved by the whatever. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment, like, subscribe, add. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace out.